Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about how to use Placeit.net for Redbubble and print on demand. And of course, we all know Placeit is the biggest marketplace that gives us thousands and millions of professional mockups to promote our designs on social media. However, if you think that Placeit is only provider of mockups, you are kinda inaccurate, because of just by using Placeit.net, you can make money online in different 12 ways. And I will specify another video for that topic. And as for today's topic regarding Redbubble and print on demand, there are 4 ways to make the best of this amazing platform. So let's get this started. So here on Placeit.net, number 1, you can make awesome designs. Yes, you can make here amazing print on demand designs. Here in Placeit, you will find thousands of templates that are updated daily, and you can edit them to make your awesome designs. So how to do that? Simply go to this one, designs, and go to apparel and print, and you will find here t-shirt designs. Simply, and here you will find thousands of design templates that you can edit them easily without using any software else. And for more filtration, and you can refine your selection here by filter according occasions, holidays, niches, events, okay, like clothing brands, dogs, Easter, fall, fantasy, fashion, gaming, graduation, Halloween, Christmas, kawaii, India, horror, and so on and so forth. Okay, as you see, a lot of different niches and fields to make your amazing designs. So for example, we can try one of these beautiful templates, like this one for unicorn design. As you see here, as I said before, you can edit this template to make your wonderful design. Okay, so here you can just replace this icon or this vector regarding unicorn, and you can replace it with amazing vectors. Okay, or you can upload your own from here. Upload your vector and your image. Okay, and of course you can make this design background transparent. Okay, from that just you can go to this default swatch and select this transparent one perfectly. And of course you can change these texts from here, like this one, unicorn. Okay, change its color from here, it's a font, and so on and so forth. And of course you can add extra graphics and vectors, okay, to make your wonderful and desired design. Simply, and when you're done with your template, just you can download from this option. Okay, that's it. So the first way to make the best of Placeit for Redbubble, making beautiful design, okay, for any niche, for any field, just in few seconds. Okay, and the second way to make the best of Placeit for Redbubble and print on demand is by making a precise and an accurate mug template that fits Redbubble mug. What does it mean? Simply go to Redbubble, and here on Redbubble, when you upload a new design, and regarding mug template, you have one option. You have to put your design in one side of your mug, in the right or in the left, and that way makes you lose a lot of mug sales, because customer want to purchase a mug that has 2 designs in both sides, whether these designs are similar or different. Okay, like this one. Okay, 2 different designs or 2 similar designs in both sides of your mug. So how to do that? By using Placeit. Simply go back to Placeit, okay, and go to home page. And here on search bar, just type mug template, mug templates, and go this one, mug templates or mug design templates. And here you will find tens and hundreds of mug templates that fits exactly Redbubble mug. Okay. So we can try one of these beautiful mug templates to make your mug, like this one. Okay, And of course you can use this template with commercial license in your print-on-demand platform, or you can change these vectors and graphics. For example, you can change this one, okay, for left graphic, okay, upload image, and you can select this one, for example. Crop. As you see here. And the same for the right one, you can just upload the same design or a different one, okay, from that option. Upload image, like this one. Crop, as you see here. And of course you can change these words. For nothing, we can type here zebra, and here we can change it for cutie, cute, for example, as you see. And of course we can change its color and the font, okay. You can change this background, we can make it transparent, as you see. And now it's a processing, okay. Just download it. Click here. Okay, back to our Redbubble and replace image. And here you will find your mug with two designs on both sides, right and on the left, as you see here. Perfect. Okay. And the third way to make the best of platform for Redbubble is mockups. And of course, Placeit is the home of mockups. And here on Placeit, you will find an enormous content of mockups that fits any occasion, holiday, field, niche, and so on. And of course, mockups show off the beauty of your designs on social media and help more in emotional attachment with your audience. So how to find the mockups here on Placeit? Simply go to this one, mockups. And here you can go to this apparel, and you will find a lot of apparel items like face masks, hats, hoodies, leggings, t-shirts, sweatshirts, sportswear, tank tops. And of course you can just find mockups only without models and without persons. From here, products only, that you can find a mug only without a person holding it, and so on, okay. And of course you can find mockups also in this one for prints, books, flyers, magazines, packaging, posters, okay, for print on demand like bags, drinkware, t-shirts, pillows, wall art, phone cases, phone grips, and so on. And there are two types of mockups on Placeit: the static image, a mockup image, or a video mockup. Like this one, you can find here in apparel, merch videos, like this one, merch videos. Here you can make a video that contains a model, a mockup. These are mockup videos, okay. In other words, animated mockups, okay. As here, for example, okay, to show the best of your design on social media. And of course you can search for your desired mockup from here according to your niche, your field, okay. As you see here, animated and video mockups, okay. So you can just search for another mockup for apparel and for t-shirts, a static mockup, okay, or a mockup image like this one. And here you can refine your search from here according to gender, male, female, for age, adult, baby, kids, teens, youth, for ethnics like black, Indian, Asian, white model, and so on, okay. So we can try this one, this guy who practices yoga. As here, just upload your design from here, insert image, this t-shirt color, make it black. Perfect. Okay, and when you are done, just download your mockup. Okay, and now let's move on to the fourth way to make the best of this huge platform is by promoting your products and your designs on social media by making professional posts like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, or making promo videos just by using Placeit.net. So here on Placeit you can search for social media templates. From this one, designs and social media, and you will find a lot of social media templates like Facebook posts, okay, Pinterest, Instagram stories, Instagram posts to promote your designs and your products professionally on these platforms, okay, as you see here, Twitter posts and so on, okay. And of course you can make a professional promo videos here by Placeit. Go to this section, videos, and here you can go to social media and Instagram stories, Instagram posts, video, Instagram posts, okay, and the promo videos from here. And here by simple editing you can make a professional and an attractive promo video for your product and your brand, okay. As you see here, just replace these texts, these graphics to make an amazing promo video, as you see, simply, and so on and so forth, to promote your designs and your products professionally on social media. And now you have known 4 ways to make the best of Placeit for Redbubble and print on demand by making designs, professional mockups, to make mock templates and promo videos. And to this end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.